let's tidy up our Mailchimp accounts together. When I'm busy in there working, things can get a little messy, so I'm going to take you through real fast the things that I do to just make things run more efficiently. The first thing that I'm going to do, if you haven't done this in a while, is head over to Contacts and export my contact list. Now, Mailchimp will always let you come in here and get this, but it's good to have a hard copy of things. So I'm going to go over here, export my audience, view exports, and save my download. Just make sure that after you export that you change the file name, because the file names they come with are a whole bunch of letters and numbers. Also make sure to export your audience before you do any audience organization work, which is the next thing we're going to do. The first thing we're going to do to clean up our audience is we are going to archive any of our non-subscribed or unsubscribed contacts. The way the Mailchimp does their billing is they actually bill you based on the number of contacts you have, so you want to make sure you get these out of there. We'll create a segment. Scroll down here to email subscription status. Not subscribed. We're going to pick unsubscribed contacts. And maybe non-subscribed, that's kind of an e-commerce thing. You may not have non-subscribed contacts. We are going to create our segment, name it. There we go. I'm going to select all and archive. Archiving your contacts keeps all of their information. So were they to come back to your website and subscribe again, their information will come back. But for now, they're out of there. We're going to head over to our tags and segments. We're going to find some that we no longer need. I don't need any of these. And delete them. Remember, we did export our list, so we do have record of who was in these tags beforehand, but now they're gone. Next, we're going to head over to our campaigns and we're going to clear out our drafts. If you are like me, you may have a lot of these. You can go in one at a time to just see what it is. And if you no longer need it, my trick is that then you can't delete from the screen. So I rename it delete. And then when I head back out to all of my campaigns, I can just highlight all of the ones that are called delete and hit delete. And finally, we're going to organize our image files, but not all of them. Only the ones we're going to need again. So head over to My Files. And in here, you can create folders. So any images that you're going to need repeatedly, logos, design elements for your emails, headshots that you use over and over again, you don't want to have to scroll through all of your pictures to go find the thing that you imported a long time ago. So in that case, you would click them and add them to a folder. Well, there we go. I hope that helped you out. If you want more information about organizing your audience or going more in depth with cleaning out your audience, I have videos about that. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. Sign up for my email list, and I'll see you around.